Did you know there are more than 75 different careers in the natural gas and oil industry?
Really?
If you are looking for the potential for good pay and hands-on work in a variety of locations, then you should look at one of the most in-demand jobs in the oil and gas industry, a welder.
In-demand job? Tell me more about what they do.
Welders and welder helpers work together to connect pieces of metal and steel used to produce, store, process, and transport crude oil and natural gas.
That sounds interesting.
Welders are highly skilled and educated, and most work outdoors, fabricating pipelines, complex compressor stations, processing and production facilities, and much more.
I love working outdoors.
They read blueprints, and their work must meet specific industry standards for quality and safety. Welding is a high-tech industry that can take you many unique places. Today's technology is creating a variety of opportunities for welders in the workplace.
This sounds like an exciting career.
There's a strong need for qualified welders. So with a high school diploma, additional training and education, you can get a job and start earning valuable experience. Seasoned welders with specific industry certifications have the potential to earn an excellent salary.
That's amazing. How can I learn more?
If you're excited to learn how you can become a welder or welder helper, talk to your school or career counselor or visit the Career and Workforce section on our website for more information.